Yes, Mrs. Moore, can you name please, Monica? Mrs. Moore. Good morning, Mrs. Moore.
Good morning.
Thank you, Monica. Do sit down, Mrs. Moore. And would you like a cup of coffee? Yes, please, some coffee. More sugar? Yes, please, some sugar. You are welcome. Let me know if I can get you anything. Thank you, Monica. Now, Mrs. Moore, the situation is like this. Your account is in the red.
Pardon?
In the red.
I'm sorry, I don't understand.
In the red. Overdrawn.
Overdrawn. No, I'm sorry. I've never heard that word before in my life.
It's very simple, Mrs. Moore. It means that you've taken more money out of the bank than you've put in.
Oh, I see. Thank you very much.
I don't think you quite understand, Mrs. Moore. It means that you've put in less than you've taken out. Your account is overdrawn. £200 overdrawn.
£200 overdrawn? Well, don't worry. I can put that back immediately.
Oh, good.
Yes. I'll write you a check, shall I? Now, £200.
Mrs. Moore, Mrs. Moore. If you write me a check for £200, you will be overdrawn more, Mrs. Moore.
I beg your pardon.
More, Mrs. Moore. M-O-R-E. More.
No, it's double O. M-O-O-R-E. Mrs. Moore, it's my name.
I don't think you quite understand, Mrs. Moore. You see.
Nobody move.
You see. If you write me a check for
I
£200,
say nobody move.
can I help you?
That's the name. You, me, yes. Pretty. Okay. 2 pounds of tomatoes, 6 eggs, and a bucket of chocolate biscuits. No, the other side. Oh, sorry. Give me all your honey, or I kiss you. Not honey, money. Oh, yes. Give me all your money, or I kiss you. Not kiss, kill. Miss Pussy, I think this is for you.
Give me all your money or I kill you. I see. Would you like to sit here?
Sit down.
Yes, please. I'm very busy at this
Yes,
moment. I will be with you in a moment. Now, Mrs. Moore, how much do you earn?
£35 a week. Excuse me.
Just one moment, please. So, you earn £35 a week. And how much do you spend?
£70 a week. Excuse me.
Just one moment, please. So, you spend twice as much you earn.
Yes, I earn half as much as I spend.
How do you do it?
It's easy. I use my checkbook.
Exactly, Mrs. Moore.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I make £2,000 a week.
£2,000 a week?
Yes.
And how much do you spend?
£1,000 a week.
So, you save £1,000 a week.
Yes.
Would you like to sit here? And would you like to sit over there?
Thank you.
So, you save £1,000 a week.
Yes.
Tell me, where do you keep this money?
Here, in this bag.
Very nice. Would you like to open an account, Mrs.
Mrs. Steve.
S-T-E-E-N-T.
Yes, that's right.
Well, excuse me one moment. I'll get the necessary paper.
Certainly. Excuse me. Yes. You make £2,000 a week? Yes. How do you do it? I rob banks. Oh, I see. You rob banks and steal the money. Yes. How do you do it? It's easy. You take a gun. But I haven't got a gun. Oh, well. You're mine. Thank you. You take a gun and you take a nose. Oh, yes, the nose. That's very good. I like that. 2 pounds of tomatoes, 6 eggs. The other side. Oh, yes. Give me all your honey or I'll kiss you. Money and kill. Oh, yes. You take the note, go into the bank and put the note on the bank manager desk. Is that all? Yes, I see.
Now, Mrs. Steele, your
Give me all
account.
your hand money or I'll kiss you.
Money, Mrs. Moore, centrally, please back.
Yes, oh, thank you. That was easy.
Mrs. Moore, your account is still 200 pounds overdrawn.
Well, don't worry. Here you are. 50 pounds, 100 pounds, 150 pounds, 200 pounds. Thank you.
Mrs. Moore.
Goodbye.
Now, Mrs. T, your account